and welcome back to another video. That's right, you clicked on Lady Lori. Okay, so we're going to continue on with the BOXYCHARM mega sale, drop sale, who's on sale, whatever sale, add-on sale. I have no idea. I just know it's a sale. And I go in and I purchase some things. I emptied the box only because I have some doubles in here. And this happens quite often, as I was mentioning in the video prior to this. If you watched it, I don't know, a day ago, a week ago, whatever. But whatever the case may be, hold on just a sec. Sometimes I get tired of the date being up there because somebody says, you know, you need to change your date. Yeah, I know, Diana. It's because you record like 15 videos in one day and the date's still sitting there because that's the day you recorded. All right, let's get past it. I got to change my hair, my shirt anyway in a couple of videos. So here's what I got, but I did get doubles. Okay, do you remember the Visor Violet Intendu? Okay, well, here's an extra. So I'm going to put it in the box, you guys. This is going to end up in a giveaway. It's going to end up hanging behind my beauty room door in that thing that's got cubbies in it. Why? Because I bought two. I just showed you in that other box. I mean, what the hell was I thinking? I don't know, but I did. I mean, you guys are going, yay. Or maybe you're not. Maybe you have sympathy for me and you're going, oh, I'm so sorry, Lori. Okay, this one is the love letter, okay? This one is absolutely stunning and gorgeous. Now, the majority of my Visor palettes are the little small. They look like a business card compact, but these are a little larger. These are 9, I believe, 12. They're 12 shades. The other ones are 8. This says the Paris love letter. It got pretty with the little lace. See, it's like you putting a business card in there and you just keep on opening, eventually it unfolds to this. Look at those colors. Come on. Isn't that gorgeous? Get that beautiful lime. This one right here. That's beautiful, you guys. Oh yeah, and that one underneath it that's like an eggplant. Something about their colors that I fall in love with. And I can just stay with one palette, you know, I can. And I like that about eyeshadows. If you can give me a really nice eyeshadow palette, and I don't have to go pick a few other palettes just to do a look. I mean, I did this one because I wanted to play with the stuff I got from my Amazon. My little board shopping. So I did. But, you know, I mean, look at this. There's a combo of all kinds of stuff. It's got, oh my God, combo. Can you believe it? Just Sassy. She's like, what? She's up there licking her lips right now. Going, lady, it's a combo. And then let's get going, all right? I got a whole bunch of Violet Voss. This is, you guys, this is kind of like where I go nuts. This is where I go crazy because it's Violet Voss. Come on, you guys. I mean, seriously. So Sally Cook, you out there? There you are, Sally. Come on in. We got palettes. She loved those palettes that I got from the British Museum. And those Chinese palettes. They're so pretty. The ones I got from Amazon. She said, I was glued to the screen. And believe me, I understand. Those palettes are insane. Okay. I don't even know which one I'm opening. This is Wild Dahlia. And these are called fun-sized. I love that about them. Look how pretty. Look at the Dahlia. Let's turn this around. Hey, you shut up in there. Just, okay. Just Dang. Wow. This green, these olives, this golds, and a little bit of those, a little bit of that orange burnt. Wow. They know how to do their color stories. Their color stories really do pop. And they tell you, come try me. Now this is Windflower, not wild. It says Windflower. Again, another fun size. Man, because these are the same size as the ones that I take on staycation with me. Beautiful. Just, I'm telling you, it's, if you've ever seen their larger palettes, you're getting the best of the best that they picked in combo. Be quiet. Be quiet. She's up. I think she's hungry. In combo form, you know what I mean? And they put them together in these little fun-sized palettes. You go get the big one. Go look at the big one. This last one, because I did get 3, is the Forget-Me-Not. So you know what colors we're going to get. Oh yeah, those are the C notes. Just like that C note palette from Hip Dot. You got your greens, you got your blues, you got your chrome or your bronze. You got it all. The thing is, the big question, where are you going to put it? You know, you guys all go, Lori, are you ever going to use all those palettes? Well, I dip into them at least once. So I justified the buy, right? I mean, just agree with me. Agree with me. Come on. Come on. I'm waiting to hear. Agree with me. Come on, everybody. Let's do it. Yes, Lori, we agree with you. Thank you. Because if you don't, your husband, your boyfriend, your spouse, your girlfriend, I don't care who it is, your partner is going to put you on that no-buy list. So you got to say, you know what? I dipped into it once. Yeah, justify the buy. I justify the buy all the time. All right, but Pinky Rose, oh, love this stuff. Love her palettes. Gina. Says, different from the rest, you'll be obsessed. XOXO Gina. This one is obsessed. See, and these are the palettes I probably dip in more because of how vibrant the colors are. Look at that. This is the stuff I dip into and I want more. These are the colors that somebody would be doing or using if you did a collab with someone. Like a makeup collab. Or just said, hey, you know what? You have this palette? Yes, I do. Let's do a look. You know what I mean? This is the kind of palette you'd be dipping into. How creative can you get? Can you make your eyes look as pretty as you did your nails? Well, I kind of screwed up, so. That's what happens when you do your nails at night and you don't have enough lighting. And it was supposed to be yellow. That's okay. We don't mind. We're all right with things being different, because I am. I'm as different and as weird as it gets. Extra. Oh, for Pete's sake, don't make me do this again. You guys are getting excited. We got 2 of those extra. And then this is an eyeshadow amplifying base in light by Ace Beauté. So I've never tried it, but I love Ace Beauté. I love base primers. So this is in light. Look at how pretty that bottle is. Look at that. That is just beautiful. So I wonder if it has, like, if it'll let me see what color we're looking at. Ooh, and you take a concealer brush or the tip of your sponge. Your makeup, look at that. I just put a pin drop, you guys. I just put a pin drop. That's all. It has a tiny bit of stick, which is good because that's where your shadow needs to be. You don't want to wait too long before you start putting your shadow on because you do want that stick to still be valid instead of void. You want it to grab those colors, but at the same time, let them move a little bit when you are blending. Look at that. I think I got the right color. I think I got the right color. I'm just going to say that because I think I did. That's light and okay. I could build off of that. So basically this is like your foundation that goes on your eyelid. And then from there you start putting colors on it and they pop, you guys. Oh my God, do they pop. I remember back when I watched my sister and her friends putting makeup on because I didn't wear makeup. I wanted to. Oh, I wanted to look pretty like these girls. I didn't realize that I already was naturally. I didn't realize that they weren't. And that's why they were putting on makeup, to help their look, you know. I'm not saying they weren't pretty. They just, you know what I mean? You guys don't make me say it, okay? Up yours, Lori. I mean, yeah, I know, huh? It's somebody, you know, who said that? Be nice. I don't know. It's like the audience was telling me, up yours, Lori. Something's going on. Something's in the air. That's it. I've got another box. But I'm just going to take a break. Okay, guys? And I'll see you in the next video. You know, but before I go, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to pop up and hit that subscribe button. How much did I spend on this entire box? It really doesn't matter, but the total amount will be right there. The only reason why I say that is because there are some items in here that are going away. These two, they're going. I don't know when the giveaway is. You guys are the ones that have to keep watching. And sometimes I forget to say the secret word. So you gotta watch the videos because I put it on the screen. That's all I gotta say. I will see you in my next video. You guys take care. And wherever you are in this beautiful world, much love and a virtual hug. Bye. I know. Third fingers. See you guys.